All right, today in class, you are going to get one each of the elements of a design, which is actually a typo. We're going to fix this in a second because it's not supposed to be elements of design. It's supposed to be the elements of art. And you're going to get a principles of design. Both of these are going to go in your sketchbook, but before we do that, over on my desk, I have this container of white correction pens. You can choose to use one of these, or you can just cross off design. Well, I guess I should have shaken this one up first. That didn't work so well now, did it? All right, time to manage a mess here. All right, let's go for this again. Get this covered up, and then we're still gonna I have to let this dry. Eventually, I'm going to write the word art on here. So that's the goal. If you just want to cross off design and add art, that's totally fine. But I'm gonna cover it up, and I don't know how. I ran the wrong version of this for you. That was my mistake. But nonetheless, I'm gonna set this aside to dry, and then I'm gonna take this and I'm going to find my sketchbook. So this is my front cover. This should be getting decorated by now, but I'm going to completely turn it over. Remember we were putting our learning intentions on this side, and we're actually going to take these out now because we don't need it at all. So be really careful when you rip that off. So this should be blank, and then on the back side is where you're going to glue this. Now, if you want to take your scissors and trim it up a little bit so it fits better, you are entirely welcome to do so. Just get it on the back of your sketchbook. Okay, and then somewhere I have a glue stick. All right, principles of design, and I may need to fix this up so it does not come off. There's principles of design. On the inside back cover is where we're going to put the elements of art. All right, this is still a little too wet for me to copy or to write over art or write over that. So I'm going to change that to art once it dries, okay? But this is what I definitely want you to get these into your sketchbook today. I will be looking to see that you have these in their next class. I'm actually going to reference these when I talk about your WOW number 2 project here in just a minute. And holy cannoli, that is taking a long time to dry. Okay, because I'm kind of impatient. And I don't want to wait for this to dry. Art. Glue stick. Art. Problem solved. Golly, those take a long time to dry. Elements of art. Voila. All right. See, when you mess up, You can figure other ways to fix it.